Yes, welcome back to Phone Lookout. So today I'm going to show you how to install a VPN without using Play Store. So why should you know this? Recently in Uganda, Play Store had been disabled, and so were the social media platforms, Facebook, WhatsApp, and YouTube. And the only way you could access those channels is through installing and running a VPN on your Android smartphone. However, with Play Store disabled, you could not download a VPN. So this is how you can go around that and be able to install a VPN onto your Android device. So previously you would have opened Play Store and simply search for the VPN you wanted, say Avira VPN, and you would start installing your VPN. Like you see, that one is at 93%. Right now it cannot proceed because Play Store is not on and it cannot run. This I had searched it at a point where I had turned on my VPN, but right now I've turned it off and nothing actually goes on. So what you will do is, if you're unable to use Play Store to download VPN, and for that matter any other application that you need, we will simply have to go back to the home page, and you just have to find your browser. Most people use Chrome, which is the default on your Android device. Where's my Chrome? I don't see my Chrome, so I think I'm tempted to use Opera, or finally I see Chrome. Open Chrome, any browser that you can think of. So right into the search menu, look for the VPN that you have been recommended. So in my case, I have been using Avira on my PC, so I'm going to search for Avira VPN. Now do not hurry to hit go to search. So what you will do at this point is add the extension APK, because we just simply need the application package. So click enter. Definitely the first suggestion from Google right now will be the Play Store, but I cannot use Play Store because right now it's not enabled. Like, I cannot access it through my mobile data. Now there's this one from APK Pure. Let me proceed down and see all the options that I have. I see APK Monk. APK Monk seems to work for me. Let me choose APK Monk. And now APK Monk has loaded up. Come down here. Now you look at that. It asks you whether you want to download the APK. Click on download APK. It's asking me where to download it with. I'm sorry, I have a lot of apps that I could use. Let me still download it within Chrome itself and say yes. So right now it tells me downloading, but then goes on to say you could also download directly by clicking here. So let me just choose that, and again choose Chrome and say just now. Complete action using, oh god, I don't like this. Let me use IDM. So I'm going to download it through IDM, but in your case you should be able to just download normally. It's just that I have these other apps installed that pick my downloads, and so I'm going to start the download. So here it says downloading file avira.blah.apk. So let me see, it's downloading. So let me check my internet download manager, or IDM for mobile, and see the progress of the download. It's downloading from in there. Blah, 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 blah. Cancel that. So as you notice at the topmost, my download is now at 14%, 16% now. Actually the total file is 50. Now my WhatsApp is notifying me that I might have messages, because I cannot access WhatsApp right now, and just thinks I have messages, which I cannot get because I do not have VPN installed. So with this VPN coming, it's estimating it at 4 minutes remaining now. So the download is running, albeit slowly. Hope it tries to speed up, because my recording just does it for 5 minutes. Okay, so the download is complete. Now that the download is complete, I will click on it, and when I click on it, it asks me whether I want to complete the action. So I'll simply leave it at package installer and say just once. Then it tells me Avira Phantom VPN, do you want to install this application? It does not require any special access. Click on install, and then it starts installing your downloaded file APK. So I haven't used Play Store at any point. So this is going to install. Let's see how long it takes. So it's still installing. So it says app installed, and then here it says done. Done is to, you would click on done if you just want to stop at that, but I'm going to proceed to open it now that it's already installed to just see how it's looking like. So this is a Vera Phantom VPN that I have installed, but I've had notable mentions with the previous past. I was using Thunder for out of laziness. Start, then it tells me trial. Right now I'm going to use the trial, but of course there are freer versions out there in the market. And then say 7 day free, blah blah, Wednesday free, then only per month. Okay, subscribing. Anyway, I don't need it right now, so I just use this Avira Phantom VPN to show you that I can have this installed. So if I scroll towards the end, you can see it here installed at the bottom there, but I'm not interested in it. Earlier on I'd installed Node is right there, but the one I have been using is the Thunder VPN, which is somewhere here, and this is what I have been using. It's simplistic, but it does the job. Please do subscribe. By the way, like this video right now. Thank you. So here I would just hit connect if I were using Thunder. So you can download any VPN that you want, even Thunder should do the job. Thank you. And I'm connected to German. So right now what I'm going to do is to that I can use YouTube now. Now you can see that on top my WhatsApp messages are now coming. So it tells me YouTube app. See if I am able to access YouTube. So my YouTube app is actually loading up. My messages are coming. You can see them up there. Add the notification. Waiting for YouTube. I think I might have filled up my phone. Let me uninstall the other two VPNs that I had used to demonstrate. So I'm going to come here to apps, apps, open. On the top right corner, let's see if we can now access YouTube. So where's YouTube? The YouTube app is there. So YouTube is loading up. Okay, so YouTube has opened up now. So phone lookout right there, and then let me attempt playing my previous videos. Headset repairs A to Z. Don't mind the speed of net and the buffering. Doesn't catch any sound neither. Interestingly, that part in the link does not work on my LG. That is the LG. So if I go in, but it works on my videos, which is Samsung 7 Prime SM619F. Now, previously I read this. Yeah, by the way, we reached 1.12 subscribers. So let me say, let me just pick out one of the common videos. Let us say that one. So you now you can see that with the VPN, this is able to play. That's running. It just started from where I stopped last time. So now I'm going to do one thing and turn off the VPN and show you what would happen. So let me go to recent apps, do Thunder, open it up, Thunder, and then so I've disconnected. Then I go back to YouTube. Wait a minute. My phone is heavily loaded up right now. That one had already loaded. Let me just attempt to even go back to my home page and see what happens.